Well, y'all, currently cutting wheat, as you can tell. We got started here about 2-3 hours ago. We got, let's see, we got a little over 30 acres cut at the moment. Not entirely sure what's running. We haven't got the yield monitor set. But I know it seems like it's pretty good. You can see how it's pouring in there, and it's been pretty good wheat. So this little, there he goes to the auger wagon. This is our second or third truckload. I can't keep up. Second truckload, yeah, second truckload. So yeah, buddy. So yeah, that's what's going on. I'll talk to y'all. That's what's going on. He's gonna go dump that. I'm looking this land off here. This is this is about a little, let's go a little over 80 acres. So, yeah. There's a little jagged piece here. I'm cutting straighten it up so the GPS will work. Don't know what happens, so it makes it better for the GPS. So, yeah. Got a bulldozer over there doing some work for a waterway. So what I had to get this week's bring at 75 to 80. If I had to get on the yield. It's running between 13.8 and 14.2. So that's dry enough for us. We're gonna let it roll with it. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all later on today. Later on, we'll get these more progress made. Hey, another day in the wheat field here. Another day in the wheat field here. We're about to finish up this. Well, we're on a 90-acre farm. We have 68 acres cut of the 90 acres so far. It's yielding somewhere around the 80, mid-80 mark, so that's pretty good for us. So yeah, around the mid-80 mark, that's really good for our area for us. Anything over 70 is good for wheat, so it's been pretty good. You can see it's kind of pouring in there pretty good. And while I take it, and you can see, so it's on, you can see it pouring in there pretty good. And we have this little corner over here, and then we like this little corner strip in front of us here. We like that, and then we like got the gap over there. We got the wheat harvest to be so the wheat harvest is underway. Wheat harvest to be wrapping up. Wheat harvest to be wrapped up here. So this fun won't last it though, and I have to go do some. I may be doing some custom work. I may be doing some custom work. I hit the wrong button. I may be doing some custom work here for my cousin. He got about 400 acres a week. So we gotta go get his wheat. So we'll cut a few more days yet. So yeah, that's what's going on today. So I'll talk to y'all later on. Well, I'm getting time I can fuel with our Indiana Thunder Creek fuel trailer. You can see that we got all of this tree line all the way over here cut. Our second field is about 70 acres. Well, and it goes all the way back to those trees. Over there is about 70 acres. We got all that cut. And then we got this over here left. The moisture's running at 12 to 13, and the yield's running right at 100. So it's really good wheat. We got this field left here. It's about 40 acres left in this field, and then we got a 30. And then we got through the gap over there, so 30 acre field, and then we got 210 acre field. and then after the 210, we got a 150, and then we'll be done with the week. So we're winding it down pretty good. So I'm just filling this beast up, fuel, and then I'm gonna go top off the tractors over there, and so yeah. I'll talk to y'all later. Give y'all an update. If you want to give y'all an update on the week of all this so far, things are progressing very nicely. We're moving right along here. The week's running around. This field averaging around 80. All up in between. We had one field average 90, some average 75. So it's pretty good, pretty fair week. We've got about 30 acres got so far. So I've got like 400 more to go, I guess. But like this farm here, we're on, and this field here, and we got this field here, it's about 60 acres, and we got about half of that. And then we got a farm behind us, the field behind us is 140 acres, and we got that. And then we got to go to a 160 acre farm. We got that. Then we got a 25 acre farm, and we'd have been the book. So whatever that is, 240, about 325 acres after we get done with this field here. So roughly. So yeah, things are going pretty good. We turned around 11 to 12% moisture. That's what's going on. My thoughts on this track machine. Sorry, I got a phone call there. My thoughts on this. I gotta say, my thoughts on this track machine is that going down to the field, I like it. I like it, and I think that I really like the tracks. But as far as I really like the tracks as far as going down the tracks for the simply like I like the track. They do a good job. They're not bouncy. It's they're nice bugs. People say they bug, we wouldn't like them, blah blah blah. Well, I don't really think they're bugs. I mean, maybe if you went down the road, maybe on the tractors they're bugs. This combine, they're not bugs at all. I like them. That's my thoughts on the tracks. That's my thoughts on the tracks. So yeah, I would be considering. I would consider getting a track tractor. I would like to get a track tractor. Myself, after being in this combine for 3 days now, I would consider just going to get a track tractor. Either like that tractor right there, either get that tractor like that tractor right there, except in a half track, or get go a step further and get a. Go a step further and get a quad track. We're walking and rolling here, and I'll come back. I'll come back to you later on when we get this field done. This is the first man. We just got started here today, so that's what's going on right now.